This is one of the many applications of integral calculus, volume by integration. I will show you the first method, the disk method. The disk method. Our working formula is volume is equals to pi r squared h. Okay, example 1. y squared is equals to x bounded by a line x is equals to 4 in the first quadrant about the x axis. First off, you should draw the graph. A parabola opening to the right, bounded by a line x is equals to 4. You should take a point and name it x, y, coordinate x, y. Put a strip, a vertical strip, and its width is dx. So, and the height is r. R is equals to y minus 0. So volume is equals to pi r squared h. Volume is equals to integration from 0 to 4 pi y squared dx. But as we all know, y squared is equals to x. So volume is equals to the integration of from 0 to 4 pi x dx. Volume is equals to pi over 2 x squared from 0 to 4. Volume is equals to pi over 2 times 16. Cancel, and we have the answer 8 pi units cube.